insert node at specific position. For example, this is the node that we want to insert after 35. So in this operation, first of all we need to ask user after which data you want to insert a newly created node. Okay, so if user said that after 35, then you have to search this 35 in list. Okay, but before that, create a node for the information that we want to insert by using create node function. Once the create node function get perform, it create the node. Okay, and that node address is, for example, stored in temp variable, pointer variable. Okay, now take one pointer variable ptr, which will pointing to this node, first node, that is ptr is equal to head. Address of this is stored in head, so ptr is equal to head. Ptr is pointing to first node. Then check whether ptr is equal to null. If it is not, then check whether ptr data is equal to 35, because we want to insert data after 35, so we have to first go um, to that 35 position. Okay, so check whether ptr data is equal to 35. If both condition are, if it is not, if both conditions are true, then we are going to next. Okay, again in next, check whether ptr is equal to null. No. Whether ptr data is equal to 35. Yes, so one of condition is false, so we will exit from the pointer, will exit from the while, and we get that node after which we want to insert this 40. Okay, now what we have to do now, this node we want to insert here, so we have to make the changes in the previous and next next link of this 35, and previous and next link of this 40, and previous link of this 67. Okay, so we have to first identify which link addresses of the node we have to change. Okay, now 35's next link is 40, but here 35 contains the 35's next link contains the address of 67, so we have to first change this one, this address. So this address we have to move somewhere where it will be at the 40's next, because when we insert this 40 here, this become the next node for this 40, so 40's next will contain this address. So how we can write that? This is temp, this is ptr. Okay, and we don't know the address of this. Address of this is stored in ptr next, so temp next is equal to ptr next. Temp next is equal to ptr next. What is ptr next? 67. It becomes the temp next. Now next is, once we link this 67 previous is now temp, not ptr. 67 previous is temp, not ptr. So how we will make that? We don't know the address of this still. Okay, so how we reached at this ptr next? Okay, ptr next is 67. 67's previous will become temp, so ptr next previous is equal to temp. Okay, ptr next previous is equal to temp. Now this is get changed. Now link this temp to here, so ptr next is equal to temp, and once this temp get attached here, its previous, temp previous becomes this 35, so it temp previous is equal to ptr. See here, like this. Okay, and this is the code. Okay, whatever explained in this example, we are moving the pointer until it is null and the pointer data is not equal to the key after which we want to insert. If both conditions are true, then pointer move to the next. Any one of condition get false, we are inserting the node at specific position. Temp next is equal to ptr next. Okay, see, temp next is equal to ptr next. Previously it was 67. Then temp next previous, that is temp next, sorry, ptr next previous becomes temp, then ptr next is temp, and temp previous is equal to ptr. Okay, the next is Deleting node at beginning. So again there are three positions where we can delete the node: begin, end and specific. If you want to delete node at the beginning, this node, the node to be deleted, see here, node to be deleted, we have to first free all the references used by that node. Again we have to free the reference, we have to free the references that is used by another node. Okay, so temp, it hold the address of next node. Okay, and next node hold the address of temp, so we have to delete that references, or we have to free that references. So how to make free this node? Just by making temp next is equal to null. Okay, temp next is equal to null, so it, there is no link between temp and ptr. Again ptr previous is equal to null, so both links will get deleted. Okay, and temp will be separate node, and then we can delete this temp. So here temp is equal to head. Okay, that is the first node. Then temp next, ptr is equal to temp next. Okay, then temp next is equal to name, and pointer previous is equal to null, so both links get null. And now we can delete temp because it holds in it doesn't hold any references. Okay, then delete node at end. When we want to delete the node which is last node, then we have to first traverse the pointer to the last node. Okay, once we traverse the pointer to the last, we have to check which references hold by that node and which node hold the references of the node to be deleted. So its previous 52 hold the address of this 45, so 52's next make it as null, and this node hold the address of its previous node, that is 52. So temp previous is equal to null, so there is no connection between this previous node and the node to be deleted. Now we can delete this last node. If you see the difference between singly linked list delete operation and doubly linked list delete operation, when we delete in singly linked list, we have to make one pointer which pointing to the previous node and one pointer which pointing to the node to be deleted. But in doubly linked list there is no case. Okay, we didn't require any extra pointer which pointing to the previous node, because we have already a previous link that is pointing to the previous node. Okay, so this is the statements through which we can delete the last node. Temp previous next is equal to, this is temp previous next is equal to null, and temp previous is equal to null, and then there is no reference between the two nodes. We can delete temp, that is last node. We reached at the temp, then remove the next pointer, that is temp previous next is equal to null. Now temp previous is equal to null. Okay, no connection between these two nodes. Now we can delete temp. Delete specific node. If I want to delete this 52, now what we need to do? Take this 52 in one variable, suppose key, then find the node which hold the key value 52. Once we reached at that node, what we need to do? We need to free its we need to free the references hold by that node. Okay, so what references it holds? It holds the address of its next. Okay, so it's next, when we delete this 52, the next node will be the node for next node for this 20. Okay, again it holds the previous address of this 20. Now when we delete this 20 become previous of 45, that is next of temp. Okay, so how we will do this? This is temp. Now we have to make this as the next node of the temp previous node. So see, temp previous next is equal to temp next. What we make? Temp previous, so we are pointing at 20, that 20 is next. Temp previous next is equal to temp next, and then this node previous is 20. So how? Temp next, that is 45, temp next previous is equal to temp previous is equal to temp previous. So there is no connection now between this 20 and 45 of temp. Now we can delete temp. See here, direct link between 20 and 45. Now we can delete temp. And this is the code for the same statements we have repeated in example. Now we have exercised that we have not covered the traversing of doubly linked list. So this is exercise for you, how to traverse the doubly linked list in forward direction and in reverse direction, as well as again print the singly linked list in reverse direction. Okay.